Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video I showed you that how you can add a dual color 3D printer in your Ultimaker Cura. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can do some settings for your 3D print to make it in say two colors. So for that I will add a file here. So let me add I will add this 3D Benchy as you are all familiar with. I will just increase its size so that you can see clearly. So let me add its size. So now you can see clearly here. So if I slice it down, so you will see only single color here because I have selected only one color. You can see here yellow color. So if I want to change its color, you can change it from here 1 and 2. So if I select 2, you will see red color, and if I select 1, you will see blue color. So but in Cura you can do only one color. You can't do like this. If you want to print one color here and second color here, you can't do this without these settings. So let me show you these settings. So first of all, we will see that where we want to add second color. So I will do at the top. So for that, go to this port blocker here, click here and click on your model now. After that, go to this, select your blocker and increase its size. So you can see now the sport blocker size is enough to cover your board tower. So you can see that it has covered the tower. You can adjust its height also. So I will do it like this. So I'm just doing it for the teaching purpose. So you can do it precisely later. So after that, select this block and go to this per model setting and select this modify settings for overlaps. So here make sure you have selected cutting mesh, not invite, not infill mesh only. Yes, you have to select cutting mesh. So after selecting cutting mesh, select the block and change the color whichever you want. So I want red, so I will keep it red. So after doing this, go to the slice, and it will take some time because I have increased the model size. Let me just reduce the size of this model here. So now we will slice it down. It will take less time. So let's preview this model. Now here you can see that you can see the red color on the top and yellow color at the bottom. So to check this color, make sure in color scheme you have selected material color, not line type or layer thickness or anything else. Make sure you have selected this color, material color, and you can see the color of your material in preview section. So this is how you can do these settings for dual color 3D print. So that's it for today. I hope you have learned this. So if you still have any question, you can ask me in comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.